Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get more deliveries on Skip the Dishes. Yeah guys, this is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Skip the Dishes application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Skip the Dishes guys, you want to go ahead and log into your account. And after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the main page of Skip the Dishes, where you can see all the options you have, such as you can see the restaurants near you, you can search, see rewards, and so on. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and be considering that you have already become a delivery driver for Skip the Dishes, but if you haven't, you can do that by clicking the icon in the upper right corner, which will open up this new menu, and you want to scroll down until you find this option to drive with Skip. So click the option to become a courier, and this will now open up this new page where you can just go ahead and log in and follow the steps and become a driver for Skip the Dishes. So guys, after you have become a driver, now you can get orders and you will see orders popping up where you can accept them if you want to deliver them. So guys, the main question is how to get more orders. Well guys, there is a couple of tricks. But guys, basically let's go ahead and see what the internet says. As you can see, when you search for how to get more delivery orders, there is info from other people who have done deliveries that give you some tips, such as to drive during the peak times, to choose the right days, focus on the right areas, and so on. But guys, basically this is the most important one, that will work always. And this guys basically means to always be ahead around the area with most restaurants that people order from. So just go ahead guys and drive somewhere there and park and wait for the orders to start coming, because if you're in an area with less restaurants, you will get less orders. But yeah guys, basically those are some tips that you can follow. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.